Let's get straight to it. 2015 Chrysler 200. This is the V6 3.7 liter engine. So today we are changing the vapor canister purge valve, and this is what your part should look like. First thing we're going to do, remove this negative battery terminal. So we have to remove this cover right here. It's very easy. Just pull up on each side. There's 4 places that it holds on to. So if you pull up in this corner here and this corner, it might just pull up the whole thing. Like that corner just pull it up. But if not, just pull up in all 4 corners. And then eventually you can pop the whole thing up and you can see where they're connected here. So once you get this up, you can see that this is our part right here. Let me reference, by referencing the new part to this, you can see how it's set up. So this is the harness for it. This is one of the vacuum lines here, and then the other vacuum line on the back. So it's only 3 things holding this on other than this little rubber mount here. So now that we have the negative battery terminal off, we can press this harness down. You hear it click up, and we can remove that harness from there. And on the back side here is just a hose. If you have a hard time removing this hose, then you can use the pliers or something. Pliers to turn it, and then you can pull it off, but it's already turning. So it's coming off right now. All right, so just like that, it's off. And it came off of here too, so I'm gonna put it back on there. So now that's 2 of the 3 connections that's off. So now just the mount and this part over here. So we can lift this off just like that. And now it's only one thing holding this on. So to make it easier to deal with this, let's get this part here out of this little thing here. Now we can mess around with this. Now you may notice this doesn't have a clip in here, but this should have a clip in here. I'm not sure where it is, but this should have a clip in here that pushes down from the top to get this out. You can just pull this out of this tube like that. And so this is the old part here. You can see, like I said, it's 3 connections and 1 mount holding it on. So let's get our new part. Simple as that. Just put this inside of this hose piece all the way down. Let's put this mount back on here, and let's get this on the back side of here. This is the other vacuum line. And then last but not least, let's get this harness back on there. So you see how quick and easy that was. So this is how you install that. And I'm gonna find another clip to put on this before giving this car back, even if they have to buy one from the store. So that's it, guys. Now we just have to reconnect our negative battery terminal, and that's it. That is how you change your vapor purge canister solenoid on this vehicle.